Hello everyone, and welcome back. My name is Jeffy, and this is my best friend, Android the Chihuahua. To begin with, you're going to need a mold, and I got our mold here from Etsy. If you just go there, type in soap dish molds, you have a million options to choose from. This one was one of the cheaper ones, and I really like that it's self-draining, so this one's a great option. This next item I got on Etsy as well, and these are just little resin charms, and these ones are made out of polymer clay. These are just some sprinkles that I had left over from another project, and they glow in the dark. To begin our project, I've started out by separating some of those little alien guys, and we're going to be using UV resin. To make sure that our aliens get evenly spread out, we're just going to do a little dot of resin and then a little alien. Then once you have your tray fully aliened, you're going to want to hit that with the black light. In a little cup, I pulled out all of the extra sprinkles that I wanted from that alien mix. Then I added some of these glow-in-the-dark sprinkles and a bunch of these little baby round balls. I thought it was just the perfect Halloween-y mix. This is what it looks like completely stirred together, and I'm really excited about how that purple and green looks together. We're going to mix all of those charms with some UV resin, and you're going to want to make sure that they are fully saturated. I like to dump out all of the resin charms as kind of evenly throughout as I can, but you're not going to get it super even until you go back in and just spread it out manually. Then you're going to want to hit that with the black light. For our next layer, we're just going to go in with some more of that UV resin, and you're going to want to make sure that everywhere is fully coated that you're going to be putting your sprinkles. These I just got around Christmas at Joann's Fabrics, and just a nice thick layer. You're going to want to manually spread those out evenly before you hit that with the black light. Our next layer is going to be a lot of glitter and, of course, a lot of resin to bind all of that together. We're going to be using that same method here where you just dump out everything in your container and then give it a really good spread before going in with that black light. The final layer is a little bit tricky because I am using mica powder, and because this is UV resin, you just want to make sure that you don't make that coloring too thick or else it's not going to fully set in that curing. You're going to want to make sure it's fully cured by letting it sit under that black light for quite some time and flip it over and do the same on the other side. But once you unmold it, you end up with this stunning soap dish. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more content just like this one. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.